20 million for the account, yo. Versace and Gucci for your love, yo, baby. Hey, it's all about you, daddy, 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 shakara, daddy, shakara, hey, ìjọ yìí náà nìkan. Yeah, I go do you because we are rich. Say you do me good. Hey, I wanna catch it, yo. Can I meet you? Yeah. Yeah. Something about you, my baby. 3 years, yeah. I love your mini skirts, yeah. Do carry sense, yeah. Okay, now. Versace and Gucci. Okay, now. For me, naughty, 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 naughty. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Because that's I go do you chuku. Yeah, because we are the chuku. Shall you do me juju? Hey, I dey feel ya. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, I love you. Daku yi no ni. Ori yi ni. Ijo yi ni mi mento fi jebi. Okay na. Wọ́n ní kí máa ya arun lálẹ́ ìfún yín ni. Irun tó ní kẹ́ wá rà. Hello Jagaba fans worldwide. It's all about women empowerment tonight. Correct empowerment, gongo. You see? All about adverts. They say I should come and market all this their hair for them. Daddy, enjoy it, Nanika. Never do Jagara. Yeah. No do gara from you. Yeah. Okay now. You like my jumper? Thank you guys. Yeah, enjoy it, Nani. Many BJB. Kaja mo jokawa kori kaorem. Esham. Abikeyi. Olu amojoro anybody. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna lower the volume of the music a tiny bit. I welcome you all on board. How are you guys? Good to have you again online with me. Thank you for coming out. Keep sharing. You all know what we are here to do tonight. I already wrote it out there. It's all about empowering each other. Since we have decided to retract, our system back to the original lane. And what's that original lane? Is empowering each other, giving voice to the voiceless. We are still working on giving voice to the voiceless. Yes. Speaking on every timid, every weak person out there's, behalf. We're still doing it. We're still going to show you, how to stand up for yourself. You don't have to rely on anyone. Learn to know your right. Know your rights. Learn to know when to talk. Learn to know when to be quiet, So, guys, it's good to have you out here with me tonight. You can see me combing the hair. The lady say, Auntie Jagaba, Alaja Jagaba Jagumbade, you don't brush out this hair enough. When you get online, brush it out and let them know we are selling human hair. So I said, okay, carry come, give me, let me do the empowerment very well so I can show them how it is human hair. And it can always bounce back to its original, you know, curls if you wish to keep it that way. So they said I should come and market this hair for them. So thank you guys for coming out. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to each and every one of you that called me the last time. To everyone that participated on the last show, I really, really do appreciate you guys. You know, my appreciations goes to you all. I really do appreciate you all. To those callers that called in from America, from all around the world, wow. It was such a delight to have you all in my team. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. To my great team members out there, I salute you guys. You guys are the best. To my admin, my executive admin members, oh my God, I don't know what I can do without you guys. Seriously, you guys are just the best team ever. So to my admin, I blow you a million kisses. I really do appreciate you all. To my executive team members, I blow you another 1 million kisses. You guys are just the best. To my fans, oh my God, I am living in my fans and my fans are living in me. Without you guys, I don't know what I would have done out here. Honestly, you guys have played a major role in this vision. You've played a major role in this movement. Without you, without your criticism, without your encouragement, I don't think I would have gone this far. So I would like to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you out there. All agenting lover worldwide was saying a very, very big thank you. So tonight, I'm sure you all see what I wrote out there. It's all about empowering each other, because people have been coming to me and they're like, Abike Jagaban, have you forgotten what we used to do on this show before? We used to market, encourage each other, showcase whatever it is that we do. So this is what my neighbor do. That's what she does for a living. And she's giving me more than 5 of this hair. I've been rocking it, but I've not rocked this wine one before. So ideally, I would have cut the front. So this is for women. Sorry, men. It's all about women. I'm going to teach them how to keep well, how to keep clean, how to keep, you know, their hygiene in place tonight. How to look good for you guys. Let's learn how to look good for our men. You know now, guys. You know when we finish wrapping the thing, it's all about packaging. Baddest packaging. Packaging, you know, Ninko. So you see this hair? Guys, it's so nice. It's human hair. It's bouncy. It's already fixed in the cap. You can also cut the front. You can do whatever you want to do to it yourself. You can add your style. You can, you know, really go dynamic with it. You can create your own style with it. You can decide to wear it short like kinky. You can wear it long. You can bring out all the curls. If you brush it all out, it's going to come out bigger than this. You know, real full afro. I don't want to do everything because this is CEO's giveaway gift. Not be giveaway Sunday. So it says CEO should brush everything out. And you know when I finish, enjoy your money. Only a motor so gongo. Cause they got over to on the feet here. Into movie by into clip where okay you like a kid more romance or you know. So multi scissors boring. Be black one Monday. So guys, this is it. You can do whatever it is you want with it. You can wear it down. It's really nice. They've got it in gold color. I have the gold. I've got the black, and I'm gonna give you the contact number for the lady that sells it. She's into beauty products, you know. Generally, her name is Queen. They call her Queen's Cosmetic. She sells all this cream as well, but I'm coming back to that one now. Let me showcase all the hair. You know all this wig I've been wearing recently now, like this one now. You can also wear this as, you know, if you want to go girlish, trendy, I would wear it this way if I choose to. I don't mind doing it this way if I choose to. You take it into 2, you know, ponytail, just this way, and it will still suit you. And you can always blow it all up. You can wear it all fringe cut the front and, you know, let it cover your face and bring this place out. I'm going to show you the cut on the black one that I have. So probably you will understand what I'm, trying to say better with the cut on the black one. We haven't done any cutting to this one. It's still full and fresh. So if you would like to order one, I'm going to give you the contact. Thank you, Uncle Kalade. Thank you so much. Yes, so Abike, Nito Snake. Abike, Boninu binu belegan pegan oloye. Abike ni boninu binu ni belegan pegan. Oni tí ó bá ti bá wí o ní kò séyìí kan be o. Mo tún change e. Mo tún ní boninu binu belegan pegan o. Oye. Abike tún sọ pé boninu binu oni belegan pegan. Oni kódà kó tún bóhùn wí o, oni kò tún séyìí kò ń bẹ o. Àmọ́ ṣá mo mọ̀ pé kò sẹ́ni tó lè nà mí lọ́rẹ́ lójú ta ni Àyìndé Wasiu. Ìjẹ̀bú ní bàbá gbé Ògùn State ló wà o. Oni gani ẹ̀kẹ́ta ìgani. Ibi tẹ́ bá gan ni dé. Àní ibi tẹ́ bá gan ni dé àbùkù lára yín ló wà o. Abike ni bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni o, ní bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ká o. Ọlọ́run ò ní fòun lẹ̀ fún ìyà jẹ Abike bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni. Orin yìí náà ní nǹkan àtijọ́ yìí bí màá ti jò kí n kọrin lédè ń gẹ̀ẹ́tì ara mi. So now back to I'm a sales representative, so I have to do the work well. So you should not let me oversing, so I can get paid for all this endorsement, all this job. You see, I'm brushing it all out now, and you can see the look it's giving me. Sorry, guys, it's a show for the ladies tonight. Look at the back. Can you see it? It's coming out really nice, and it's human hair, and it's just 100 pounds. Anyway, the lady said it's just 100 pounds. We've got quite a lot of them here tonight. So you can brush out the other side as well. You can shift it in the center. You can shift it on the side. You can see the way I wear it. If you happen to have a plumpy face, it will suit you more. I have it in black. I've got the gold one. I've got this wine one as well. So women, let's try as much as possible to look good for our men. Wọ́n ní kíní kan tó bá ti jojú ń gbèsè. Àwọn boys àwọn ọmọ mi gan bínú sanwó ẹ̀. Tó wá rí ẹ tó dìtọ̀, tó ṣe bí jaga. Èdì jaga. Jaga. Don't control social media. Yes, so this is 100 pounds. And I'm going to give you the contact number for the lady. For everything we're doing advert on tonight, it only come back to just one person. Her name is Queen. She, the one that sells, the cream that I advertised the other time. Yeah. Yeah, it's the same person. Queen's Cosmetic, yeah. I have once advertised and marketed for her some months back, so I don't want to do a mistake. She's the one selling the hair. This one, they said, I'm coming back. Oh, let me know, mix it together in the Jegwesi. I'll let you. I think pay 120, but pay 90 pounds. Oh my God. Anyway, guys. If I tell you, say I love you, can you see it is giving me full afro look now? You can brush it out more if you wish to. If you want it to come out bigger, just keep doing. You can see how soft it is. The brush can pass through it easily. It's that soft. Now you know, Baba. Yes, so 20B. Anybody to TTBC. So you can do whatever it is you wish to do with it. You can also set it in the center. You see, if you know what to do with it, you can always get away with whatever style, however you style it. Look at it again in the center part. You know, fit here. Okay now. No do gara for me, yeah. No do that. No do chakara. Motu shadra red face to a lesion or why you know me. Oh, yay! Ìran yín rẹ̀sẹ̀, èmi Sadrat. Hey! Ṣùkú yìí náà ni. Hey! Baddest! Biggest name. Mo tún yẹ torí ẹ mọ̀ pé mi máa ń like half parting. So I will wear mine on the side. Ideally, I would love mine to be like this because I've got this oblong face. So if you've got a round face, probably the center part will suit you more. Body me, thank you, Monica. I'll see my sister. It's just £100 and they have it in black, they have it in gold, they have it in wine color. No, this yeah. Just let me know the Jennifer into Jolo Badelale. Yeah. 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 Chuku inan. Yeah. The juju. Yeah. Catch it you. I love it here. Hey. I love you, man. Yeah. There's something about it, my baby. Yeah, Bridget, yeah. Love you, Nanika. Baby, Abba. How to do? I mean, enjoy, you know. Yeah, what was enjoy? Are you over there? Okay, Jimmy. Hey. Hey. Ah. Hey. Chuku. Hey. Ìjọ yìí ni Àbíkẹ́ gbogbo ayé ọwọ́ ọmọ yìí ló wà Ọlọ́run sí àyè ìpọ́jù ọkọ lọ́mọ queen ní social media kí ló dé ẹ̀yin red face ṣe fẹ́ ra wíbọn ni ẹ̀yin angry face ṣe fẹ́ ra wíbọn ní ọjà ní mo ń tà lálẹ́ yìí n kò bá tẹnikẹ́ni wà àní ẹ̀gbọ́n oní tí mo kọ́kọ́ kọ ni mi pé bó nínú bínú mo ní bẹ́lẹ́ kan ń pẹ̀ gan alóye mo ní bó nínú bínú bẹ́lẹ́ gan ń pẹ̀ gan àní kódà kó bẹ́ mi wí o kò séyìí kan mi bẹ̀ o àní kó tún bá mi wí o àní kò séyìí kan mi bẹ̀ o àmọ́ ṣá mo mọ̀ pé kò sẹ́ni tó lè nè mí lọ́rẹ́ lójú ta ni Àyìndé Wàsíù Ìjẹ̀bú ní bàbá ń gbé ògùn orí yìí náà ni Àbíkẹ́ yìí mẹ́ni tó fi ṣe mí ẹ̀yin ṣe mí ẹ wá máa pè Àbíkẹ́ mo ti ń jáde sí fún nǹkan tó ń pè ní celebrity appearance. Go and ask the people that have run their show. They will tell you nígbà tí Àbíkẹ́ wọnú hall yẹn everywhere scatter ni àwọn tó ti pè mí fún celebrity appearance tí mo baddest wọlé ẹ jẹ́rìí ọmọ yín ibu figure baddest figure ọmọ yín tó sweet tó snake tó slick látòkèdè tí mo wọlé báyìí gẹ́gẹ́ dí mojú mi kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní dá fọmọ anybody tí ó wà ní dá fún ti dá fáwọn náà Ọlọ́run kò sẹ́ni tó lè yọ wá gbó padà mọ́ ẹ ṣáà mọ̀ aago yí síbi tọ́lọ́run ni kò máa yí lọ ni kò sí ẹni tó lè yí padà mọ́ bó wọlé ni so tẹ́bá need Àbíkẹ́ Jagaban for MC, for celebrity appearance, if you want me to showcase whatever it is that you do, feel free to contact me. We will market you, model whatever it is you do. I will be more than glad to do the endorsement for you. So call me anytime. You know where to contact me. You can get me on my Facebook Messenger. You can also call me on 074 481 66348. Contact us. Let's work together. Let's put some magic. Let's add some professional touch to whatever it is you do out there. And you'll be more than glad that you patronize us. So this is one of the things I do. It's so beautiful. Bouncy calls. And you know what? After this will definitely go back into those tight curls. It doesn't come, if you brush it into afro, once you wear it to, you know, suit your look, it will definitely go back to that factory curls tight. Really, really beautiful. So I don't know how much the lady has got, but our phone number admin, kindly pin this contact number out for them. Our phone numbers are 075 35 39 381. I repeat, for the lady, the hair lady, yeah, a contact number, not my own number. I've given you my own number in case you would like to use us for MC, for endorsement, marketing, modeling. I will be more than glad to appear at your party as a celebrity. Celeb appearance, nonke. One jate, one year. Can we take picture with Abike Jagaban? Whether or fair, about our car. Well, I was a man bomb or here photo near. A man John Yala, Abike Luomo. Jawata, Jawasiji, oh Jaju, oh Jakutu. Anyway, it's me. Matuba you de mi wa gbogbo ehun ti mo wo yan ni kin tun wo pe kin se wa se endorsement here. Say 1 minute I will be brr. Yes sir. Only about that so gangan lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Ìjayà gbogbo àwọn sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀. An le bo lẹ́yìn Jagunlabi lára wájú. Ibu owó ẹkùn ọkọ àwọn búlì ní ilé ṣẹ́ǹjì oyè mi o. Ajagungbadé the first. Àbíkẹ́ bá ń dún wọn ní kọ́ mọ anybody ṣe báyìí. Zip it. Zip it. Ah, ó ṣe ọmọ mi Davido. Yeah. Oh. Paparazzi follow me pa. Eh. Danda again. Hey, ijó yìí náà ni. Come into your party. Let me come and give you some hot baddest dancing step. Oh, I can dance yo. Wala in the do Jennifer lo. Ah, ba. Hey. I don't wanna be a player no more. Hey. Ronaldo. Nintendo. Ìjọ àti swag yìí náà ni wàláì mi máa ń gbọ́. Anyway, guys, enjoy the music while I bring another hairstyle out for you. This is another word. Look at that. Look at this. No, man. Look at another one. Yeah. One style here for me can you. Look at this one. It's so beautiful. It's hot. Baddest color is white and black. I love it. You see? This is really, really, really nice. Look at it. Can you see? It can only sit well and look well on a babe like me. I'm gonna be jagasne. I'm gonna be jagasne. Nìkan ló lè fit. I'm a Tony physique, Tony baddest figure, Tony swag. I'm a man throw attitude. They go to buy war fly so you every 3 hours. Wash it by. Chakara inon. So you can see the grayish color. It looks grayish, white and black, and it's just too beautiful. So you can tongue it down. If you want it flatter here, you can control it with your tongue. You can also use edge control and move it a little bit to the back, just like that, and use edge control for your edges. It's so beautiful. So this one is going for 120. Yes, this is going for 120 pounds. It's so beautiful. So you can tell. Can you see? So nice. So this is a couple. All of them is cap modeling, you know. Kile wa ṣe sí. Alolo lohun ti dá ọmọ yìí tán. Ó ní kẹ́ gbójú ńbẹ̀ yan ta ye. Ó ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń sinmi. Ẹ̀bi mi kọ́ ni pé mo lówó. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń sinmi. I say no be my fault, see I get money. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń sinmi. No be my fault, see I too fine. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń sinmi. No be my fault, say I too blunt. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń sinmi. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń sinmi. Advert mi bí ṣe wọ́n ṣe rè ẹjọ́ o. Bí ṣe wọ́n ṣe nǹkan mi rè. Thank you, Oluwatobiloba. Shape yìí náà ni baddest shape lọ́jọ́ orí yìí. You know what I mean? Yeah. Ijó yìí náà ni CEO tó sexy. Ọmọ ayé tó bí sórí street. You imagine. Yeah. Ijó yìí ni o wàláì CEO yín ní swag tó ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ CEO yín. O baddest. Ọmọ Làbíkẹ́. Ọmọ rere Làbíkẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ wọn. Ọmọ rere Làbíkẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ yín o. Ọmọ rere Làbíkẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ yín. Ó dáná ẹ má nà Bíkẹ́ o. Ẹ má pa Bíkẹ́ o. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ má ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ Àbíkẹ́ láìdá. Ọmọ rere Làbíkẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ wọn o. Ọmọ rere fáànù tí ń bá mi blue ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ pé ń ṣe advert. Tí fáànù yẹn bá blue ẹ̀ máa tún fún latitude. No, advert yìí náà ni. Ìtún polówó ẹ̀yin red face ìtún wọlé. Red face ṣé wà rajà ṣé fẹ́ ra hair ní ẹ̀rà wébọn ní red face. Ṣé fẹ́ rajà ni? Wọ́n inájọ́ ọ̀run bíbà yìí ó gbé níbà carry red face ọjọ́ ọ̀run lẹ́fẹ́ náà ẹ̀rọ náà sódì lọ́hùn. Ìtajà fún red face. This is all about empowering each other. Èmi mọ̀ empower ni. Genuine empowerment. Fún àwọn tèmi. Thank you, Jared Toxicity. Ọmọ yín posh yìí náà ni. So, if this is the one you would like to have, you need to call the lady on a number. Our number is 075 35 39 381. The second number is 074 05 99 7484. I repeat, 074 05 99 7484. Did you get that digit, people? Okay. Can I have someone ping these numbers out for me? Yeah. I'm going to repeat the numbers again. So if you want any of this hair, kindly call her on time before it finishes. It's 075 53 53 9381. The second number is 074 05 997484. If you're out there, women, kindly put your number on the screen for people to see. Queen's Cosmetics CEO. Put your number out for people to see. So that's it, Christiana. Thank you very much. 075 53 yep 539381. Yes, 075. It's 075 the 31 07535 07535 39381. 075 35 39 381. Yeah, not 0755. No, it's 0753. Yeah, that's the first 4 digits. 0753 579381. And the second one is 074 05 997484. So I think this is really reasonable for 120, and it's full. You will love the look if you know how to start. Look at the back, is baddest, the back. Did you see that? It's really, really beautiful. It's really beautiful. You will love it. I know how to rock everything. Bashema water ni da bi àwọn lata oni blemish alara jijona àbí kara ti bàjẹ́. Ọlọ́run kẹwàá. Ogun kan Ọlọ́run fi kẹwàá pé ká wọ gbogbo ẹ̀ kó bá wa lára mu, kó tutù mọ́ wa lára, kó máa ẹ ṣá mọ̀. So, kindly order for yours. Kototon eya tètè pé Queen's Cosmetics and Beauty Products CEO on this number. The second number is 074 05 997484. Thank you very much, Two Whites. You are wonderful. Thank you so much. So I'm going to bring you another one. They are quite many. Ama inwo itimbale wo nbe lálẹ́ yìí. Asha she ipolowo itori ko gojo koja alẹ́ yìí. I've got so many other things, you know, waiting for me to do with you guys. We have lots of topics to treat. So let's do the marketing, modeling, endorsement, whatever, you know, MC. I've got more than 10 MC engagements now. You're gonna see me at the party soon when I'll be saying ìgbéyàwó ọmọ àníyẹ̀bùn ìgbéyàwó ìmọ̀ kan rí mọ̀ jó ẹ̀mọ̀kẹ́ mo láìkí jó àwọn lọ gbéṣẹ́ MC fún mi tàwọn oníyàwó mama tasẹ̀ bí kò tó bí kí má tasẹ̀ bí bàtà báyìí ní pàtí ni tí oyin tó sexy máa jó fún ọ báyìí ní Paris ń sọ fọ́kọ ìyàwó pé má wo MC ju ìyàwó rẹ̀ ní kò fèsì nítorí MC gan máa bad ó máa sexy gan ń tún sọ fún bàbá ìyàwó àti bàbá ọkọ ẹ má wo MC eléèjú o ẹ bá ń gbọ́ hip hop MC yo ìwọ̀n bounce ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ láàrin, you know what I mean. Thank you guys. I'm just going to show you another one now. You know, this is my favorite one. My favorite one. I love this. I will wear this anytime, any day. I love this one. So she's got this in blonde color, in burgundy, in any color of your choice. You need to call her and make your order. This is really, really beautiful. I will rock this anytime, any day because you know what I mean. So this is my thing anytime, any day. I love this look. So if you like this look, if you would love to look like me, if you would love to wear this look, you know, endeavor to call her soon before all this run out of stock. She's got it in different colors. So make order of any color of your own choice. So You can see. You can also be dynamic with it, or you can pack it up a tiny bit with ruffles. You can hold it up like that. You know, it's quite versatile. So do it anyhow. Hold it, and you still have this brandy look. You know, not too bad. Can you see? So if you want that, you order from that woman. That's a number pinned out there for you to call. Yeah, the braided one. Thank you, Ronke Abiola. Yes, this is my look anytime, any day. I love this. I love the afro as well. I know how to rock those afro. Really nice, you know. Okay, another one, Emwa. Elenko. Again, Willie, nature, Emwa. Shout Willie. Yeah, this is another one. I love this one as well. Look at this. This is different from all those braids you see here and there these days. This is really, really nice. You need to feel the texture of the hair. Can you see the texture? Look at it. Can you see how it's falling? It's not standing harshly out like those common ones you get to see everywhere. This is really, really nice. The texture is rich, is beautiful. It's like human hair. You can see how it's falling. This is my own that I've been wearing for like 2 months now. You know, so this is 100, this one, and the one I wore before is £100 each. The braid and this one is £100 each. The fat big braids, that bob one that I just removed with this one is £100 each. So you can see the beauty. So you can go dynamic with it. Do whatever it is you would like to do. Pack it up, knot it out, put it into, you can mat it. You can actually do some jamo style. Push it out here. That's me. I will do this with it if I have to go out. Do the other side as well. Learn to be creative, guys. You can do so many things with it. Push this in the middle. Let this fall to the front. It will give you those bad jamo look. You pin it at the back. All those girlish, you know. Move it to the front. Tiny bit. You can also shift it. This is £100. All the braids are £100. With the fat one I just removed now, is £100 each. It's only that blonde one that is hello. The blonde weave-on, the one in cap, the weave-on, not the braids. That one is 120. So this is £100. The other one is £100, and it's so beautiful. Look at it from the back. It's really slick. So that's it. Thank you. Good prices for them here. You can see the frontal lace is different from all those cheap ones you get to see here and there. It's really, really nice, slick and flat. You know, really nice. Hey, KB. You got that one more we share you tell them of it 2 days in common. Empowerment nani. Ejabo. You that one more we share you are there with them of it 2 hours more me days they 2 gongo. Them have okay oh he fine. Omo dara o de journey. Alabike awon omo dara o de journey. Yeah. Orimba majokunrin ohun iba ti ke mi mole aijokunrin ohun iba ti ke mi moye ohun oni boya mo le ba e tage kin ti e bimo to jo yeah Alabike orora so similitude ni Alabike ori yi na nìkan. Thank you, Chika. Thank you, Chika. So do not delay your order. Call her before the whole thing run out of stock. You know, she's giving me this marketing endorsement, whatever to do, sis. And she's always like, sister, Igbole waraye ba n polowo orun yi mo ni mo n bo. Isarede ojú ogun náà bí bá dé látọjú ogun ìwà bá rẹ̀ endorsement yẹ jẹ́ kẹ́ endorsement yẹ jí mọ̀ sí mi náà kò sí ní fi ń ṣe ni. Ìgbà tó ọmọ bí Àbíkẹ́ ṣe lè ṣe pé ọmọ tó jọ ọmọ lòun nìkan náà ló lè sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ kó dán mọ́rán kó yọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀ tẹ́ pé kódà bí irun ó bá look trashy bẹ́ẹ̀ bá gbé fàǹjẹ́ Àbíkẹ́ yóò bá yín polówó ẹ̀ tí kọ́sọ́mù ó rọ̀ wọlé ni gbogbo àwọn tá a ti polówó fún lórí show yìí kọ́sọ́mù àrọ̀ wọlé ni yà Àbíkẹ́ ẹnu ẹ dùn jù Ọlọ́run ló mọ bó ṣe máa rí lórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì ìjọ tí bàbá bá lórí ẹ̀wọ̀n òun ò bọ́ ṣòkòtò lórí èmi mo ti lọ látàárọ̀ mo mọ bí ṣe máa sà ó máa fi speed bọ́ pátá yẹn fún mi ni tí máa jókòó lè máa rùn yìí náà ni ẹ̀yà tí ni tí máa ti ń jó tó ti ń kọ́ mi ní jíjó yẹn ẹ ti mọ̀ pé báwọn yìí ṣe ń jó yóò mọ rùn ní rùn ló bá dé rùn ní rùn Ọlọ́run ṣàánú Àbíkẹ́ yín thank you Olúwa beautiful sí mi rùn yìí ní mọ̀kọ́ yín torí gbà tí ń lọ sẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wọ́n bí wọ́n ní Madam Didolobo èmi náà wá bójú báyìí mo ní yeah that's my name àwọn kan ní ẹ̀sọ́ orúkọ èmi ní orúkọ mi kọ́ ṣáyìn lẹ́ bá ń ṣe fídíò àbí kí n tún dìnnà ìpè mi kan mo ṣèwùn ní ilé dìnnà yín o èmi mo ṣe Didolobo tó lóko jẹ́ statement of fact mi sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ nígbà tí ó sì ń kàn mí dá èsè ṣàmọ́ fi jẹ̀bà ni àbáfẹ́ fi kó aṣọ sínú apẹ̀rẹ̀ dido 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 lobo dido lobo kankan sóhun tá fi ṣe ju káṣá ti dò lọ àdó àdó dòdòdó dòdòdòdòdò dido dido ni dido lobo káṣá ti dò kí lẹ tún fẹ́ fi ṣe bí kò ṣe kẹ́tì dò. Àbíkẹ́ ti yàwó tiẹ̀ Ọlọ́run ìwà ìrọ̀lá kọ̀ọ̀kẹ́ tèmi tọ́sí tí pàdé mi kí láwa fi ṣe ìhun náà fi ń ṣe nìyẹn ọlọ́jọ́ máa yẹ kán fi púsì mi ta yín o nígbà tí èsè rú kí náà tún fi ṣe ìdílé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ má bínú ẹnu mi yìí náà ní ilé zip ẹ̀ fáínálì Sister Pejumade Tawakali Akínrìnàrè here rí pé program wa lálẹ́ show wa wà peaceful it's a show for the great minds, for the young minds, for the vibrant ones. If you're vibrant, you are young, you're creative, innovative, come here, come and join us on this show. This is what we do. We empower each other. We lend each other strength. We give each other advice. We share each other's story on this medium. If there's anything you're facing out there that is so hard for you to deal with alone, come here. You will meet so many wonderful, intelligent women on this forum that will be willing to share your problem and willing to give you suggestion and advice. That's what we do. It's all about empowering each other. We don't have to call it empowerment women. We are not. But that's what we do. It is part of what we do. We are the No Cyberbully team. And we do empower each other. We advise each other. Before when we used to be 500, 400, it was so peaceful. And then when the numbers started escalating, we want a peaceful, motivational, inspiring, show. No more fracas. No more war. Thank you, Ajala Collins. So that is that is that over the braids. I'm gonna bring another one now so you can hold the one as well. 1 second. Oh yeah, get it. Da 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 da. Come on, Rush. Okay now. Hey, yeah. What me by only Bash America, Bash London, Zivita, Ninja Yede, Ayevelajo, Baby, come and take me job. So, this is going to give you that chic, classy look. Look at that one. Look at this. This is really, really beautiful. You can wear it out this way. Look. So if you're looking for that chic look, that town chic look, look at this. It's really, really lovely. So you brush it out. You brush the front. Look at that. It's so, so lovely. And it suits all occasions. And if you don't want it to go into your eyes, into, you know, below your brows like I'm doing now, you can actually shift it to the back a tiny bit for your brows, you know, to show. So you see, but for who I am, I would love to wear mine that way, this way. Yeah, that's the Akata Chikato look. You know that trendy look you're craving for? I would love to wear mine this way. So this as well is 120 pounds. So all the weave on is 120. You know, it's far better than ordering your wig and going to fix it for 60 pounds, for 70 pounds, 50 pounds. It's still better. So with the hair, everything is just 120. So just make your order from her. You love this one. You see, that's what I mean. So I love that as well. Look at it. So, so beautiful. Oh, I get sexy. Come share me, people fine. Mama, me no be by me, yeah. Allah no damn me, no be my fault. I say no be my fault, say I find you. Against me. No be my fault, say I too blunt, yeah. Against me. I be me can't pay more fines, I declare against me. I be me can't pay more blunt, hey, against me. Oh, no. I declare go carry for your job. Mommy, Jade go carry for me, job. You are that. Go to Jade, I declare go. No, be my first, yeah. Against me. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, now. Against me, though. Jackie, see me. Yes, so. Favorite Kudirati Adunite me. Thank you, Titi Ruth. Yes, so. Okay, now. Yes, so. Ari work on the music. Yes, uncle. No do So you guys should please hand the vote to call this lady, the CEO of Queen's Cosmetics and Beauty Products. You know, she will do you really well with all these beautiful products of hers, ranging from hair to skin products. I have recommended her to some people that would like to lighten their skin, that would like to buy products that will enhance their skin a little bit, the one that will suit your natural color. I'm sure you're really happy with what you bought from her the other time, because she gave us customers review later that most of the people that we gave her on Jagaban show are so happy with what they, you know, bought from her. So if you're willing to purchase any of these products that I've just marketed tonight, do not hesitate to call her on this number 07535 539381. The other one is 07405 997484. So do not hesitate to call her. She's got lovely, you know, stuff that you would like to buy This as well is called Dark Knuckles Corrector Oil. This Dark Knuckles Corrector Oil is doing wonders to people that has got black knuckles. It is a magic oil for those of you that have black knuckles. Probably you're lightening up or you're bleaching your skin and you would like to have, you know, an even color with your hand. If your hands are not that, you know, even, if you've got black knuckles, black ankle, black knees, she said this is really, really good. So she recommends this for you if you're willing to clean that black knuckles that is not, you know, making your color to look even. Patronize her, call her on that number that is pinned out there. Is very, very good. The people that have used it, I've seen their knuckles is really clean and clear now. So you can see, look at it. Dark Knuckles Corrector Oil. So everyone sọ fún àwọn tó bá ní ẹsẹ̀ tó ti jóná náà bí ẹsẹ̀ bọ́ra gbogbo ẹ̀ bóyá ẹsẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́ ní ẹsẹ̀ ti jóná tí ò dáa tí ò ṣe rí mọ́ tí ò ṣe wọ bàtà sandal ni because summer la wà yìí àwọn èèyàn máa fẹ́ wọ bàtà gidi abárẹ́ni tẹ́sẹ̀ ti jóná tó fẹ́ máa wọ búùtù káàkiri nínú ẹ̀rùn àti nígbà òjò ẹ bá mi pè wọ́n pé this is Dark Knuckles Corrector Oil. Kọ́ máa fi ìyà jẹ ẹsẹ̀ wọn gbogbo bí ẹsẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́ kéèyàn máa lọ kán wọ ẹsẹ̀ nísàlẹ̀ kó dàbí tẹ́ bọ́ra kán má mọ̀ bóyá èèyàn ìdajì bọ́ra ni àsìkò dé ìyípadà dé bá ayé rẹ. Go and buy this Dark Knuckles Corrector Oil. It will show you some wonders to that part of your body that is not making you happy, that is saddening your heart. Patronize my girl, Queen's Cosmetic. A product will sure do your body some wonders. Love. Ara yìí náà ní nǹkan Jagaba, Jaga sexy. Jaga sexy. Yeah? Okay. Hey. Ariwoka ni music. Ani Ariwoka. Ariwoka ni music. Ariwoka. Anyway, ẹ̀yin tèmi, a ti polówó fún yín, mo ṣe ní kí a polówó fún yín, ṣó tún ṣì ṣẹ́kù. Ìtún gbé bọ̀. Ẹ ṣáà wọ́n gbé bọ̀. Owó Betfred, owó Bàbá Jẹ̀bú. Owó Bàbá Jẹ̀bú. A tún gbé ìmí wá. So just hang on there while I bring you another hair color.
Shout out to my
Look at another one. One of those Afro ones again. Look at it. Really, really nice. I'm gonna lower. Rente. Ìyàwó mi ò rente. Ọkọ mi ò rente. Anyway, guys, this is another beautiful hair style. It's the same as the burgundy one that I wore. That wine color. So, look at it. It's really, really nice. This is the black one. It's so bouncy. You can brush it out bigger than this if you're willing to wear a big afro. And you can also control the curls. If you don't want to brush it out, you just wet it down a tiny bit and it will go all flat and nice. And you can do the front to a full fringe. You can make the front a full fringe, you know. It's so versatile. You can change it to whatever it is you want, you know. You can wear it that way. You can make it center part. So this is what you can do to it. Once you purchase yours, you can cut the curls into fringe. You can actually style it this way, you know. It will give you an opera look. Look at it. It's really, really nice. I'm not touching the Orente. Orente is still there for you, trust me. Eh? So you can give you opera look. If you brush it out, it will come out bigger than this. And you can rock it to that party, that evening party, that afternoon party, whatever it is. Look at that diva look. Yeah, this is what we call diva look. That diva look. That diva look. Look at it. Really, really nice. So can you see what you can do with the hair? It's so, so nice. Those afro are my thing anytime, any day. I would wear this anytime, any day, anywhere. So it's so nice. And you know, if I want to go girlish, trust your girl, trust AJ. I love to look under 40, under 30 at times itself. So I just go like this. I pack it into two. If I want to match up to my daughter's age. And I will tell her, oh yeah, my daughter, let's go. Nishowaju kintelie leyin ele romi wole ko mara iwa pack rebe into mukeji. These are my regular look. If you know Abike Jagaban very well, like I always tell you that I believe so much in simplicity. Thank you, Mr. Richard Olaleko. It's good having you on the show tonight, but unfortunately, it's all about women, women, women tonight. Don't worry. I'm bringing pata for the boys as well. How to be packing their thing, their blockers. See? Look at that look it's giving me. If I want to go looking like Miley Cyrus, you know what I mean? I'll do this. Really nice. So you can change your style. Do it to whatever it is you want. Look at that Miley Cyrus look. And I can go, yeah, this way. My mama told me never to hit the trail. So can you see that look he's giving me? So, so nice. You can change it to whatever it is you like. So, this is what I will wear anywhere. You can scatter the whole front to cover as well if you wish to. So you can go looking that way. Elle say like, que scatter gbogbo rẹ̀ kó cover. Wa push it, wa scatter. O le ṣe báyìí náà. O le ṣe sí side. You know what I mean? You can also change it. This is the wonders I personally would do to the hair. I don't know how you're going to do yours, but this is what I would love to do to the hair. I can actually move the middle up this way, and it will give me that sassy look. I would take this part up as well. You know this sissy look? I would do this. Let that fall. Pull this in the middle. Leave the side, you know, pull it to the front a tiny bit. So you can show your face. I can wear all this bit in the middle up like that. You use your edge. Sorry about that, people. So you can use your edge control to control it. Leave the back like that, you know. So These are the wonders you can do with this weave on, and it's 100% human hair. It's 100% human hair, and it's really, really nice. I tell you, you will love it. You will love it. So, can you see? That's it. Yes, so AJ, alakada inani. Ashe fashion ka shakada ka ko won se elomi o mo ramu ko nsese bolo nse da won niyen ti won, you know. Yes, so morenike AJ alakada plus alatika inani nkan gbogbo ọ̀nà ló gbà mí ile shalatika ki nkorin fún yín èmi gangan ni bazo ajibola kameso baba wa ti latu ayaga yo orí yìí náà ni gbogbo ohun ló wà lọ́wọ́ mi Ọlọ́run wọ́n máa gbé mi báyìí aláì àwọn ti ya kí wọ́n gbé mi ṣeré lọ ọmọ yìí orí ti pọ̀ jù tálẹ̀tì pọ̀ ó pọ̀ dákú Ọlọ́run ẹ bá sì wù mí ń padà sẹ́sàmọ̀ I'm on the edge of glory. I can say that I'm on the edge. I'm on the edge. Ọlọ́run orí yìí náà ní nǹkan àbíkẹ́rẹ́ ń dé nǹkan Lady Gaga fún yín kọ wàzó ìtúbí ní káyìndé nǹkan mọ́mọ́ jápọ̀ ni wọ́n gbọ́kàn sọ́ọ́lì jápọ̀ lè pa tálẹ́ǹtì mi ẹ̀yìn ẹgbẹ́ òkùnkùn irun là ń tà ẹ̀túpọ̀ rí wọlé anábì kí ò lè kú ní mo para wa ní with full force kò ní kú o alábíkẹ́ yìí ò ní kú o jàgàbá kò má lè kú o babaláwo tẹ́yìn gbójúlé ó ti ṣeré lọ sábẹ́lẹ̀ yéé oníṣègùn tẹ́yìn fẹ̀yìntì ń kọ́ ó ti ṣeré lọ Calabar àní kò má ní kú o alábíkẹ́ yìí ò ní kú o torí lọ́pẹ́ kò má lè kú ó kú dì lájà àwọn orin mi náà ní ọ̀lẹ́ pé mọ́kànrin mi lórí iṣẹ́ mi ò ẹjọ́ o èmi wọ́n lórí mi èmi wọ́n dẹ̀ ní ara mi ẹ̀rẹ́ ní mọ́kànrin mi ẹ̀yin red face ẹ béèrè pé how market dey alright who send una àmọ́ ẹ̀ nílé ra ń bí o àwọn tó bá pọ́n lójú wọlé ọ̀run náà ti ń rajà ẹ sọdá sọ̀nkẹ́ lọ́ra tí yín ìtajà fẹ́yìn red face yìí o ẹ cross over ẹ lọ beyond kẹ lọ́ra tí yín àwọn ọmọ mi tó ń sẹ́ndì láti tó ń sẹ́ndì láìkì tó ń thumb up wọlé fún mi àwọn ló lè rajà lọ́wọ́. Anyway, this is the look I'm going to maintain throughout the show tonight. So let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things, heard about things. Let's talk about sex. Hey, mama, someone say, red face, say no talk about sex. Torí nílé tajà fún yín o ẹ̀yin adarí pọ́n ń tẹ́ bá fẹ́ wá rà ní kẹ́ sọ o àwọn òsì ń tajà yín bí ọ̀run náà ti ń tà ẹ sọ dá sọ̀n kẹ́ lọ rajà yín Alábíkẹ́ yàtọ̀ sí wà omi tuntun ti rú ẹja tuntun ló jáde ń bẹ àwọn ọmọ mi wọn Alábíkẹ́ jẹ́ ká máa ṣe fàájì ká máa ṣe bá ṣe máa ń ṣe ọmọ bá ṣe máa ń ṣe nǹkan wa tẹ́lẹ̀ tá a máa kọrin tá a máa gbára wa lọ́rọ̀ yànjú ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ tá a máa sọ lórí show mo ń padà bọ̀ lọ́la náà àti màá sọ bá ṣe máa ń sọ yìí fẹ́ mọ́ you know. Yes àráyè gbogbo jàtìjàtì yẹn mọ́ wọ́n ní tó bá jẹ́yàn 200 péré ni ìyìn bá wọn participate nínú slandering and defaming and you know kẹ́mọ́ assassinate character àbí kẹ́ ti yàtọ̀ ó yàtọ̀ àwọn ọmọ mi Polo Rocket ìyálàyà wọn Rónkẹ́ ìyálàyà wọn Akínbáyọ̀délé gbogbo ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ̀yin ambassador AG team I salute you now ìní lè ṣe kí ni ìní pẹ́ púpọ̀ lórí ṣó lálẹ́ torí kí n kàn sáré bọ́ síbẹ̀ kí n ṣe advert kìíní ní pápápá ìrókà mákẹ́tì fún àwọn tó ní ọjà ayé pọ̀ fún yín red face ẹ rí pé ẹ̀yin red face ìyá yín bad gan ìyá yín bad o Alábíkẹ́ bad o ẹ̀yin red face ẹ wòran mọ́ bad o red face ẹ̀yin ní ìsàkọsínsìn yín tún jọjọ fún yín ẹ̀yin red face ẹ jẹ́ wájọ́ tó dáa kí n jó fáwọn red face kan tún kan lójú a ní ìbá tí yín wá àbí ò bá tó rogún wá mi ò bá tó rogún wá Àbíkẹ́ ò bá tó rogún wá mi ò bá tó rogún wá yé ẹ má fẹjọ́ mi sùn ká ẹ má fẹjọ́ mi ṣèké ẹ má fẹjọ́ mi sẹ́ni tí ò fẹ́ràn mi ò bá tó rogún wáyé o Àbíkẹ́ ò bá tó rogún wá àlẹ́ mi ò bá tó rogún wá mi ò bá tó rogún wáyé ẹ má fẹjọ́ mi sùn ká ẹ má fẹjọ́ mi ṣèké ẹ má fẹjọ́ mi sẹ́ni tí ò fẹ́ràn mi ò bá tó rogún wáyé o Àbíkẹ́ ò bá tó rogún wá èmi àjò jíjẹ́ ẹ̀ka àwòrán o ó ṣe ẹjẹ́ ń sinmi mo tún já sí ẹjẹ́ ń sinmi wọ́n kọ́lé wọ́n ń bíjọ ábà bẹ́ẹ̀ bó lọ lọ́rùn èmi wà o àṣà mọ́kọ́lé Answer my call. Yay! Mo fẹ́ wà lẹ́yìn. Kò lórí méjì red face ẹ jẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ yín máa ṣe ń jó. Kò lórí méjì. Ó nà. Answer my call. Yeah. Oni. Yeah. Rasta. Yeah. Answer the call. Yeah. Àtàkàlẹ̀ red face yọ ti dínkù ọ ẹ̀fẹ́ kọ́mọ́ ẹ̀ ń jó tó ní bẹ́ẹ̀gàdébẹ́ẹ̀gù kò lórí méjì bẹ́ẹ̀gàdébẹ́ẹ̀gù ó nà. Àtàkàlẹ̀ ayé ọba mi kì í túra lẹ̀ fún yín kẹ́ owó ṣe ń lọ ẹrú jágá sílé mo gbẹ́dẹ̀ lọ́la Àtàkàlẹ̀ mo gbẹ́dẹ̀ lọ́la oh no. Na red face ti sá lọ wọn ọ̀fẹ́ kọ́ bọ́ ṣe ń jó red face ẹ mọ́ sá lọ ẹ wọlé red face ń jó fún yín kọ́ yín wọ́n ṣe ń jó bọ́ ṣe ń behave like a lady ẹja sì lájà ẹ bá fọkùn fa wọn padà ẹ gbórí wọlé kí n kọ́ yín wọ́n ṣe behave like a lady like a proper lady anyway ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀yin Àbíkẹ́ ẹ kú oríire ẹ kú ogun àjàbọ̀ orin yìí náà ni bí kí n jó ẹ máa ń kọ́ pé when the spirit of the Lord is upon my soul I will dance like David dance bí jẹ́ máa ń jó bí Davido nìyẹn I will dance like Davido I will dance like Davido ni David ẹ ṣáà mọ̀ Ọlọ́run ariwo yìí pọ̀ ẹ láìkí irun mi Red faces. Don't you like this Amy Winehouse look? Beautiful. I love it. Amy Winehouse used to be one of my favorite before she passed on. I love her as much as I love Whitney Houston. You know? Oh, Orente. Abigail Orente. Hey. Thank you for keeping girl. You like my top with a sweater. Orente. Alafia mo wa Orente baba. Abigail Orente baba. Orente. Where me Orente? People, thank you so much for being a part of tonight's show. I'm so glad you all came out to watch me. This is what I came out to do tonight, to showcase this lady's market. She told me, Auntie, you've been wearing my hair since you did not even show them on your show. Everything you promised me, money. Ma binu mo lo face Biafra ni. Si ma fi speed dere ma ko go product e jade. Ni sare be bolowe, including the cream. So for me time they meaning body Biafra, ngba ti mo wa body Biafra so. Mama wa face mo se wa gbe ọjà jáde, you know. Bino ba ti tan ni orí money eje ki tan ni èékánná. So I dupe Orente o. Ṣàlàfíà lẹ wà red face o, ẹ lè sí lálàáfíà Ọlọ́run, àlàáfíà jìnnà. Hey, Àbíkẹ́ yìí náà ni ẹni ọmọ tí ó fẹ́ olórí jìgìlì ó hug me up. Orente, ọkọ mi òre, ọkọ mi go Orente ni, ọkọ mi Orente, bàbá mi Orente, ọkọ mi Orente. Ẹ wá bínú ẹ̀fẹ̀ ló bá dé jẹ́ nǹkan ní fọ́kọ mi, ọkọ mi Orente, Orente lòun náà o. Àjọ Orente ara wa ni you rente mi, I rente him back. Ẹ bá mi kí yín. Ọkọ mi Orente, bàbá mi Orente, 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 yeah. Alábíkẹ́ Orente, ọkọ dada Orente, ẹjẹ Orente, Orente. Oníkíní sugar, Olúmídé Òkúnsọ́yà said, èmi oníkíní sugar, sugary, free, yẹn pè tán. Orente, red face, kí lẹ fẹ́ rà red face, ọ̀n tajà yín bí sí ọ̀run náà ti ń ta ẹ má lọ sọ́run, ẹ lọ nájà ọ̀run, gbogbo ẹ̀yin red face, mo ní kẹ́ ẹ má lọ sọ́run kí ẹ lọ rajà yín, àwọn ìtajà yín bí báyìí. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin red face, so ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ̀yin tàbí Jagaban. Màmá ṣeré lọ lọ́la, ẹ̀mẹ́ni tó wà ń town lọ́la, ariwo kọ́ ni music o. Ọ̀gá ńlá tí a wà ní town ní ọ̀la, Ibà Paso. Bàbá èmi gangan ní Paso, Paso wà ní Selena Paul ní Dagina. Ọlọ́run ṣe jayé Paso jayé lọ́la. Wọ́n ní kẹ́ fọ́ọ̀lì kẹ́ wá jayé kẹ́ wá bọ̀gá ńlá yín hang out ní Dagina Message gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí Ford ẹ̀yin Texas. Ẹ parapọ̀ láti Romford láti Barking láti East London. Ẹ yá lọ síbẹ̀ gẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Paso Ibà Baraka. Èèyàn tèmi Àbíkẹ́ tó snake. It's all about empowering each other. He's not here for fun. He's come to make money. He's come to celebrate his sister, Dupe Jaye Kuti. So, guys, do not hesitate to go. He's one of our legends in Nigeria. He's one of the great, music icons that Nigeria has produced so far. So, do not hesitate to go watch him tomorrow. He is there to entertain you all. And you also stand opportunity of meeting with Dupe Jaye Olakuti. So you go there, Wait. So let's go and celebrate with them tomorrow. They are selling t-shirt for £30. I think the ticket to get in there is £30 as well. Yo, so me, I will be there. In case there's anybody that wants to see me, whether hater or liker. Whether you be liker or hater, whether you be fan or non-fan, do not hesitate to meet me here. Abike Jagaban live in Dagenham near Ses. And Lowo Paso Wonder. Onga Maria Abike Wonder. Shamu. Onga Mari. Anyway, share. Are you working the music? Okay now. Okay. Are you working the music? Okay now. Anytime we can jog about anything to see you to snake. I just enjoy time I beg you. I know àwọn èèyàn alálùbáríkà. Ó ṣe bá mi Àyìndé yìí. Mo ti polówó tán lálẹ́ yìí sọ́dọ̀ bá ọ̀kadà máa jó ká máa.
Orí ìfẹ̀sí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Okay now, kó máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Orí ìfẹ̀sí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Closing dance ló kù ó ṣe níbi lórí. Okay now. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ àlùjọ ló kù fún màmá wọn.
Èèyàn ti yóò ti tàwọn gbára lórí bí iye.
Okay.
Èèyàn yóò ti tàwọn gbára lórí bí iye òkúrò lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ bí.
Bá mi kọrin lọ́wọ́. Gbogbo jó làbí kẹ́ńjó.
Ìsẹ́yìn o, ẹgbẹ́ bí ìmọ̀kọ, Sùlẹ́mọ̀nà Abíọ́lá.
Ìdí yìí náà nìkan. Láńpẹ́ ni.
Yóò bíbà, àwọn tẹ̀mí ọmọ pọ̀lá ọ̀gbìn Abíọ́lá.
Okay now.
Amadu ẹ̀ ṣe lọ fọ́nrú.
Ijó yìí náà ni. Àlàlà ohun. Ẹ wo.
Ọmọ bàbá mú ilé lẹ́jì. Èmi lẹ́mú.
Àlàlà ohun.
Èèyàn tẹ́ni. Èèyàn ìbò mi ìtumọ̀ òsì ọlábílẹ̀ èèmọ̀.
Ẹnu.
Àwọn ọmọ tó sáré ìhùmí àyà.
Okay now.
Àwọn tó ní kò ní ìrìn ẹ̀ṣọ́.
Okay now. Bá mi ló kọrin lọ́wọ́.
Wọ́n jọ ń bára ọ̀ṣẹ̀ wọn tó ra wọn jẹ́. Àlọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ tó dá ìgbọ̀ kò mọ́ yà àyè sáà kìnnà.
Ijó yìí náà ni. Okay now, Ṣáìndé. Yóyó mi. Okay. Ijó ló kù.
Ìwọ jẹ wọ̀. Ìwọ jẹjẹ kú jẹ. Àdínkù jẹ wọ̀. Ṣáàtì lórí yóò yọ.
Sẹ́lẹ̀kẹ́ni ju ọmọ yín. Ó ṣàmò ṣe ìgbà ìlọ́rọ̀ rẹ̀ mi.
Gbogbo ìjẹkújẹ tó bá jẹ wáyà ni.
Wàá yà pẹ̀lú yóyó bitters.
Yóyó bitters tó ti rí wẹ́rí.
Yẹ́sò.
Oyè ọmọ pọ̀pọ̀ náà wò kí arábà ní ìní ọkọ̀ Ràṣídà.
Ó Ṣáìndé.
Àbí Ràṣídà lọ́rẹ̀. Yóyó bitters.
Àbíkẹ́ tó sílé.
Ọmọ Abíọ́lá. Ìsẹ́yìn ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀bẹ̀ ní Babalábí.
Ijó yẹn bí àwọn ọ̀tá mi nu slow ló bá dé.
Owó bàbá Báyọ̀, Babalábí.
Owó mọ́dà Áńjì.
Àwọn òfin fẹ́ràn mi.
Ẹ tí mo bó ṣe ń lọ.
Yóyó bitters ò ní táwọ́ náà.
Àbíkẹ́ gan ò ní tọ́wọ́ ná. Àṣírí ẹ̀kọ́ mi tún ti lójú ewé. Àbíkẹ́ mi o. Ẹ́bà. Jẹ́ ti ní jó.
Yóyó bitters ní yẹ́lò. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ti jẹ́ wọ́.
Yóyó
bitters ní yẹ́lò. Ìpẹ̀lẹ́ ó fi yà ọ́. Yóyó bitters ní yẹ́lò. Ìjẹkújẹ tó jẹ. Yóyó bitters ní yẹ́lò.
Ijó yìí náà ní nǹkan Àbíkẹ́ mọ̀mẹ́lò bí ọlọ́run. Ṣé kí ti rí ìgbà yìí? Okay now. Yóyó Àbíkẹ́ ọlọ́run ọmọ yìí ó ti ya tiẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin red face. Báwo lọ jà? olówó ọ̀run polówó fún yín lọ́rọ̀ alókè lọ àwọn òǹtajà orí yín bí kí lẹ wá ṣàyọjú ràn wá sí bíbá ẹ̀ fún kí lẹ wá yẹ dúpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ thank you yeye dúpì ijó yìí ni ọmọ rẹ̀ okay now. Bàtíràtù ọmọ rẹ̀ Bàtíràtù ọmọ rẹ̀ ìmọ̀ bí àwọn rẹ́díò gbà wọlé o ìsìn àrùn yín o ìyá yín ò mọ yọjú wá ta báyìí o ìyá yín ò lè dé rí mọ́lé anyway ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi à ń báyàn jẹ́ à ń jà ń bí ó wá jẹ́ kébi táwọn èèyàn ti máa ń báyàn dé tó ti máa ń jà èrò máa ń pọ̀ we don't even need a crowd wọ́n kì í máa ń sọ fún igbá àgbówó lọ́wọ́ Facebook kì í sì gbowó Google jẹ́jẹ́ ọmọ máa ń gbọ́ jẹ́jẹ́ lọ́mọ èkó ńlá o àní jẹ́jẹ́ lọ́mọ èkó ńlá bó ṣe máa kówó wọlé là ń bá kan sí ká polówó orun ká polówó aṣọ tàbá rí bóyá ojú ló ń ṣe tó mọ̀ láti Facebook ti ojú àwọn èèyàn tó jẹ́ makeup artist bóyá tailor ni ẹ́. Feel free, to patronize me. Call me Abike Jagaban, CEO. I want no cyberbully. Can you please market what I do on your show? And I will be more than glad to do that for you. So call me. It's free of charge. I will go off anybody. àlè blackmail àìcháàjì èèyàn ló wà ní kọ́lọ́mọ́ ọ̀fẹ́ ni ẹ bá gbọ́ lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ ni bàbá fún wa o lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ ni bàbá fún wa àǹsùn láyọ̀ àǹjì láyọ̀ mo tún lóhùn gbẹ́jọ́ lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ ni bàbá ọ̀fẹ́ ló bá dé ọ̀fẹ́ nígbà lọ́fẹ́ lèmi ló gbélé kò bá nǹkan kan dé. So feel free to patronize us. We will be more than glad to add some professional touch to what you do out there. We will be more than glad to spread the news, to the world. So patronize us, call us. Let us tell the world what you do on this medium. So I've done this for my sister, Queen's Cosmetics CEO. She has once been blocked, but she doesn't even care. Why? Because she's making a cool money. She says since we did advert for her on this show, she's been seeing loads of customers. They've been calling her. She's so happy. Why? Because she's moving higher through the show. We've given her loads of customers in the past. Same thing with Auntie Bumi Omabuwa. Auntie Bumi Omabuwa, the CEO of Chic Jewelry. So we're going to be bringing her jewelry back. You can patronize her as well. We don't care what is going on out there. It can be worse than what we've gone through. So feel free to call me. Leave your number. In case you can't get through to me, just leave your number. Inbox me on Facebook Messenger. You know the number to call. To pass the message on for us to do your advertisement for you. It is 074 481 66150 348. Sorry, 074 481 66348. 074 481 66348. So that's the number to call if you want us to market what you do. If you want us to promote you, call us here and we will be more than glad to promote you, to market you, to model for you. You can also call me for celebrity appearance. I have done some. I've taken so many MC engagements now. So we are now master of the ceremony on this show. We can do just anything. Call us. Let's hear what you've got to do, and we will be more than happy to do it for you. So thank you guys for coming out to watch me tonight. It's going to be a short one. I'm still resting my voice so that I can come back loud by tomorrow night. We're going to have a show. It's going to be really loud. We're hate fighting. When I say loud, I mean rubbing minds with brilliant people, with these intelligent people, these clever, smart people on my show. It's a show for the intellectuals, I've told you. Show for quality people. Show for the brilliant minds. Not show for the shallow-minded people. So meet me here tomorrow. Do not forget to follow me on YouTube. Abike Jagaban on YouTube. My Instagram page is there. Follow me. We ain't doing much there apart from sharing real pictures and inspirational words, you know, day after day. So Instagram, we're on Instagram, on YouTube, on Snapchat, Abike Jagaban. We don't do anything silly there. We're only doing, you know, activities that will help the weak, you know, ones out there. We inspire, we motivate, we help you to grow, you know, your belief. If there's anything bothering you and you don't have who to tell, feel free to tell CEO. We've had a lot of people called me in the past saying, CEO, there's something bothering me. We don't know how to go about it. Can you please head this topic and let me see how the world will accept me, even with this mistake? So we've spoken about a lot of people. We've tendered their case before the world, and your suggestions and advice has really helped them build their life. So we will be willing to do more of that, you know, very well. Spreading the news, sharing their story, and welcoming your advice and suggestions, you know, for them to rebuild their life. It will only make them better. So thank you so much, Princess Abiola. Okay, Olumide Okusoya, you want the wig for your wife. Men, you can order for your girlfriends too. If you want them to have this kind of look, Abike Jagaban look tonight, the chick, the classic chicken look. You know, I can imagine myself hitting the club like this. Kilajo, it's Friday and I'm ready to sing. Pick up my girls, everybody sing. Oh, he's alright. King can't want me back. Back, back, forward and front. Back, back, forward and front. Back, back, forward and front. Let me see you go. Personality. Yeah, hello, Alama. Oti, Jakutu, O judge, Yain judge, Abigail judge, O Japoni. I do quite for long. Silaying. Case upon Kawabashan Joe Disco, when I train you at that. I do discuss Jofu Yasi, you know, where you done. Anyway, people, I gotta go. I can't stay longer than this. I'm sure you've seen all the things that I marketed tonight. I'm sure you love them. Do not forget to call the lady if you've got black knuckles or black ankles, those stubborn, you know, parts of your body that refuse to be bleached or to be lightened, or that just refuse to just, you know, blend with your skin if it's not even. Call her and order for that product, this one. You know, dark knuckles corrector oil. I think it's just for you to rub on your hand and the affected area. I don't know how to use it, but if you call her, she will sure explain to you more. So call her with those number that I just provided you on the screen. I will be going now. To all of my fans out there, I say a very big thank you. We're having a peaceful show and gradually we're going to get to there. Thank you so much for being a part of tonight's show. I really, really do love you all. Without you guys, there's no me. Without God, there's no us. You are the reason why I am still here. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for being a part of this vision. I love you guys so, so much. Continue saying no to cyberbullying. Do not hesitate to report them to the police. Make sure you save all the evidences, whatever it is they've done to you. Keep it saving. Report to the police. When they talk, you talk back at them. Face bully. Look at bullies in the eyes. Look at them deep in the eyes, straight in the eyes, and tell them just how you feel. Okay? Do not allow anybody to rob you off your right. You know, I don't take that, even though I decided not to come out and face them. When they go low, I am going high now. I'm going high when they are going low. So I'm following Michelle Obama's quote. We going high, high. We going high, 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 high. We gonna praise, 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 praise your name, 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 day by day, 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 every day. We gonna praise, praise, praise. And you might praise your name, 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 day by. And you might mention church. I'm okay. When they go low, I'm going high. And this is the only way I can go higher and higher and higher, is by doing better things that will impact people positively. We have left them with their own mess. So But that still does not mean that you guys should take shit. I have taught you never to take shit from anybody. Don't bá tẹ̀sí ló jẹ́ tẹ̀sí wọn nínú ojú directly kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lọ. Ẹ ṣá mọ̀. Ire o, tí n tún mọ̀ fi rí yín. Èmi ni ọmọ yín pàdé yín èèyàn tí yín gangan Àbíkẹ́ Jagaban, CEO of No Cyberbully. Ìyálà ìyá àwọn bully on social media. Ẹkùn ọkọ gbogbo àwọn ọ̀ka àwọn oṣù àwọn àjẹ́ tó ń bẹ ní orí social media. Irúnmọlẹ̀ ńlá tó ń fi NASCO tó fi ń ṣe kíni tó fi ń Genesis tó ń fẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lọ ṣe mouthwash. You must say bye bye see you now till I get to see you all again. For those people that live in Dagenham, Texas, meet me up there. For those people that are looking for me, pé bó láti pàdé rẹ̀ táti mú ọ wà láì ń bẹ ní SS lọ́la yín lọ́wọ́ Paso. Mo wà ńbẹ̀ abára ẹni tó fẹ́ rí mi. So ẹ máa ń gbọ́ jẹ́ ń rí dáwọ́ rẹ̀ ò jẹ́ ń rí dáwọ́ rẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ń rí dáwọ́ ẹ̀yìn ò ẹ jẹ́ ń rí dáwọ́ ẹ̀yìn. Ìbẹ̀ǹbẹ̀ wọn lọ́wọ́ ọ̀gá ńlá bá wà sí gángan. Èèyàn tèmi ọmọ TV tó ṣíọ́jì. See you all there tomorrow till I come you guys away again. Bye now. Yes, my diva hair. Hello, diva. Yes, I am a diva undeniably. Yes, I am. You take care, ho. Bye. Kiss, kiss. Ẹnu yìí náà ni kissebu. Kissebu. Ẹ jù fún mi padà. In kiss yín o. Bye everyone. Vino mo ya just my party wa. Bye. See you all later. Bye bye.